Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by connecting your PC to the internet using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Connect to Wi-Fi by selecting the network icon and entering the password. Next, choose whether to sign in with a local account or Microsoft account. Use Microsoft account sign-in to sync settings across devices automatically. Verify your hardware meets minimum requirements before continuing. Check system requirements: 8 GB RAM, 64-bit CPU, and 20 GB free storage. These steps prepare your device for online setup and seamless use. Open Settings and navigate to Update and Security to manage updates. Enable Windows Update to download feature updates like 20H2 automatically. Schedule restarts during off hours to avoid interruptions to work. Use account settings to add family or work Microsoft accounts for access. Turn on OneDrive to backup documents, desktop, and pictures folders. In sign-in options, set up Windows Hello using fingerprint, PIN, or facial recognition. These choices keep your system current and your data synchronized online. Maintain security by using built-in Windows Defender for malware protection. Use Windows Defender with real-time protection and periodic full scans. Keep firewall enabled and review app permissions in privacy settings regularly. Diagnose internet issues by running the Network Troubleshooter from Settings. Run Network Troubleshooter for Wi-Fi, adapter, and limited connectivity fixes. For severe problems, create a recovery drive on a USB with at least 16 GB capacity. Backup important files to OneDrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.